Hi, how we doing? Happy Sunday.
Sometimes I look around for someone who might understand it. Seen it in their eyes.
Firstly, I just want to say welcome. If this is your first time here, welcome. I am doing my full apartment tour today, but first I'm dressed to go entertain myself, and I thought to entertain you guys first as well before we get into the boring apartment tour. First, let me show you my outfit and we'll get into the video. So this is what I'm wearing. I got this top from Zara and I really love it so much. It's so cute. And this is my favorite color. So anytime I see anything in this color, I grab it. Well, most of the time. So yeah, I really like it. It's casual. It's 21 degrees outside today, so it's pretty warm. And I also got these pants. This is from a two-piece set and this is from Fashion Nova. I love the length. It is so long. I'm 5'7" and it just fits perfectly and is loose, and it's just, you know, perfect for the weather. And I'm just carrying my tote bag so that I can put my camera in and some other girly things like tissue, lip gloss and things like that. I don't want to carry a proper bag because I am going for a car show. So there is a car show happening and yeah, I'm just heading there to kind of entertain myself for the day. I spent the entire morning cleaning, pretty much a Sunday reset, you know. And yeah, so I just want to quickly go to the show early enough before it's crowded. So let's go.
This one I bet you me, I no get time. Dada cover my face, calling me big man wait to be what's it going? Chihuahua, all depends. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it gonna be? Chihuahua, all depends. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. Say anything when you do, they try to do one. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make sure money dead. But my people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life.
That was the car show. It's pretty much just owners of vintage and very beautiful cars and very expensive cars, you know, but showcasing their cars and letting us know how much they got it when they got it. So yeah.
Hearts become, who could ask for anything more? Loving one who loves you and then taking that fire. It's nice work if you can get it, and when you get it, won't you tell me how?
If it's liquid, you can carry it in your check-in bag now, not the hand luggage. But I'm sure they have organic one in here now. They are bringing kuli. So I'm bringing. So how many trips are you making now? You go to. Okay. So I just sat here to take a call with my mom, and yeah, I want to get ice cream. The funny thing about like restaurants or shops in this Toronto, they like to claim to be the best in everything. So on their billboards they will write #1 in #1 ice cream in Toronto. So I'm at this spot. Shape they are. Hello.
What's it gonna be? Chihuahua, all depends. They get ride it with. I know we.
I'll mix them up. So I'll take this this banana. What is this? I'll take the biscuit. Have a good day. So I just stopped at Sephora to get my Sol de Janeiro. I ran out of my spray. My hair is all over the place, but yeah. And after that, I'll be heading home. I had enough of the show, so let's see what they have.
With the magic fingers.
From the car show. I hope you enjoyed the show as much as I did. It was nice seeing really vintage cars that people bought and the price they bought it at when they got it. I saw one car that the owner bought it for $950. I'm like, wow. If only they sell cars that price right now. Of course, everybody will own one. It was nice being outside. It was really warm outside, and I enjoyed my ice cream. I won't know anything about Ontario or Toronto. Ontario, basically, or Canada. What I've observed is every organization, every company wants to claim they're the best in everything, including Canada. Canada feels like they're the best in everything. You know, they're proud, which they should be. You should be proud of yourself. I heard a funny story that the CN Tower was the tallest building in the world at some point. Then Dubai obviously came and built their own tallest building because Canada didn't want to lose claim of that position. They changed it from the tallest building to the tallest tower. So yeah. What's another tower that is taller than the CN Tower? None. So it's no longer a building, it's now a tower, and therefore it is still the tallest tower. So smart. Anyways, yeah, so on our little errand at the car show, we stopped by to grab some things from Sephora, but I only wanted to pick up one thing, which is the Sol de Janeiro in number 40. This is my favorite scent, although I sprayed the 48 and I think I like it, so I might be picking that up next. I picked it in a small size. I don't know, because I mean I have several other mists that will work, and yeah, they were having a promo of some sort and I needed to pick something from the Sephora collection to get the points, so I went with the mask. I also got a free sunscreen, and this is cute. I will throw this in my bag. I will throw this in my purse so I can easily reapply my sunscreen as I go during the day. This is from Ultraviolet. Never heard of them before, but it is the Queen Screen Luminescent Skin Cream. Always a mouthful with these skincare products. Always a mouthful. But this is SPF 50 plus, and I guess it will do the work. Is it mineral or chemical now? I don't know. Oh, this is how it comes with the tube thing. Let's see if it will leave a white cast. I'm not sure the lighting is good here, but it looks like there's a bit of a cast. So this will clearly be for my body on my day to day going out. My hands, especially when I go to do my nails, I will just throw this in my bag. And now I'm not sure. I don't think there's a cast. Let me know if you see a cast, but ruined it. Okay. I took off my glasses and there's just a slight hint of a cast. Very slight, very faint. You can barely tell it's there. But yeah, that is it. This mask is the Sephora Nourishing and Soothing Coconut Extract Mask. I would pick anything that has hyaluronic acid. Anything that has hyaluronic acid, count me in. I always pick that. So I grabbed this, and that's all in my tiny Sephora bag. So let's put that away and get into the tour.